Hey guys, Queen Esther here. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel I speak about food and finance, but in today's recipe I'm going to show you how I make this awesome drink that is great for your skin to glow and detox. And what we are going to be using is this. But before we get started, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel if you are new here, so I can welcome you to the royal family. This helps me motivate to keep doing these videos, so please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell so you are notified each time I post a new recipe. Without further ado, let's get started. So here is what we need to make this drink. Okay, 1 pineapple. I'm going to be using 2 oranges here. I have 3 apple, 1 lemon, and I have here 7 carrots. I'm also going to put this ginger in there because ginger is definitely good for you. So I'm going to use all of that, cut them up, and then we will start seeding. All right, let's go. Next, I'll go ahead and start cutting my ginger roots, and I'll also add that to the blender just like so. Alright, so I'm going to rewash my apples and cut them. So all you're going to do is just simply cut it. Okay, keep cutting your thing. It's very simple, and then you're going to seed it. These are very good for your body. Carrot gets your skin brighter. You know, do your research. Ask Mr. Google. You're gonna see all the benefit of every single ingredient. I will also add them in the description so you see the benefit of each fruit. Okay. And I also have a jar. I have a jar of drinking water, so I'm going to pour some here. The goal is to use everything, so I'm going to cover it up. Using my Ninja blender, professional blender. We want to blend. We're going to go ahead and add some more water. Add some more water in there, and we're going to blend it some. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my oranges. Of course, that way while I'm seeding, I can be blended as well. Okay, so. And I'm going to remove my skin of the oranges. That way, since I'm going to just blend it, that way the skin will not be, the taste won't be in there. So if you can see right here, orange has kind of two layers and stuff. So the white part, I'm also removing much of it. You can also juice it. You know, if you don't want to cut the whole thing, you can just juice the orange and then just put it in like that. But I just want to do it this way. Orange. I will do the same thing for this right here. I just simply cut it. I'll just cut it and then put that in my blender, and I will juice. But let me show you how I'm going to juice the lemon. First, I'm gonna press it, make it simple. Now cut in the middle. I'll juice it here. I'll press it press it, and then you just squeeze it out, squeeze it in here. Let me go ahead and remove this first. See the juice is coming on it there. And then what I'm going to do, I want to show you guys. Go ahead and bring this here so you guys can see this. So I'm going to simply juice by pressing this inside here. I'll do it for both lemon, okay? Alright. Pick it up in a few. And then do the process again. Get all the goodies out. All of it. And voila. Alright. So just go ahead and put my oranges in here. And then I will add the remaining pineapples and orange off camera to just make this a little shorter. And then I will peel up my pineapple. So I've cut my pineapple, clean it up and everything. I'm just cutting it right now. So it looks delicious. The pineapple tastes super good. So I'm just gonna cut it and then add it to the juice. Now, when it comes to how you make this, of course, if you have a juicer, you can use a juicer. I have a juicer. I simply don't use the juicer because after you're done, it has too much compatible to it, and that's, you know, it's too much after you're done to clean it up. So that's why I don't use it. So, but of course, if you have a juicer, you can do the same process with a juicer, right? So I'm going to add the pineapples, and we're going to blend. Now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do this. The sealing part. Here the sun, and here is what we got so far. I'm going to add this to the mix here, and we want to re-blend it. So I went ahead and pour this in another bowl right here, like so, and I'm continuing the process. So I have way more juice, and I'm just going to add some more water. So I'm going to see this twice, okay? When I do this process like I did before with the pineapple, oranges that are done, I seal my thing twice. Sometimes you do it goes in there. Alright, so So I put the remaining of the fiber back in the blender, and I'm going to blend it for the second time and do the same process. But I just want to show you guys how I do my second stirring. Okay, I pour everything from here to this bowl here, and I'm going to use my cup and transfer it back in this, and I will seal it one more because there's some more fiber in here, and it makes it much easier for the kids to be able to drink it, because this is super healthy and I want my children to be able to drink it as well. And of course, you don't have to do this, it is optional, but I always do that when I do my juicing. Okay, so it's up just like so. You see the extra fiber like this. Alright, so I will do this off camera and I will show you guys the finished product. So guys, we're done. Here is the finished drink. You have some healthier looking drink. You know what went in. It is healthy for your body. You brighten your skin, detox your body, and you just serve it and enjoy. And I also have here, I have some honey. Okay, so after you taste it, if you feel like you need to have a sweetener, it is up to you. I just want to show you guys you can. I haven't added no sweetener or anything like that in there, but I might do so because it's not that it's not that sweet. Okay, but for now, I'm personally going to drink like that. For my kids, I'm just going to add a little bit of honey in there for them. So here it is. This is how much I got. I was able to get almost half a full jar, and I have one full jar here in the smaller one here. So now I'm going to put it in the fridge, and we are ready to enjoy. So just pour in, add some ice in here. It's your drink, healthy drink, and enjoy. This is so good, y'all. No sugar added, a little bit of ice, that's all. Very, very healthy. Make sure you make this.